Hey, welcome back to another video. This is Tyron here with We Auto Detailing, here for another day in the life of a car detailer and fitness workout person. So I post all my content for our fitness, and then we go on all day and we do our car details both on the live stream, and we do drop some clips on there as well. So yeah, definitely check those out. But let's go ahead and talk about our day, and let's get into it, man. So today we had our workout at 9:15 at our CrossFit gym. The workout was pretty good. What we did was we did a couple box jumps. We did a, what you want to call it, a push clean. And also we did the bike for a couple calories to finish up. So it was 2 minutes on, 1 minute off. We did 4 rounds of that, and then we also did our first part of the workout where we just established our weight to get the workout going. For today, I felt really good about the workout. It was coming in on a Monday, coming in from the actual, the weekend and whatnot. So it was a transition at first, but as I got going in my workout, I felt good and I was very happy about the way I was working. I would say that starting off with those cleans with the barbell, it's very hard on your wrist. So if you go ahead and check out the workout, you will see that I'm kind of bending my wrist as I go up and down on the power clean push. But I'm getting better with my mobility. They said that starting out as a CrossFit person or a workout, you're gonna have to increase your mobility with your wrist, and that just comes with time. So I'm just working on that to build my mobility. But outside of that, man, I'm just continuing to get better every single day with our workouts. And then also outside of that, man, we did we finished out strong. We did our workout, and that was it, man. So let's go ahead and get into our detailing side of things. So today we had 2 vehicles on the schedule. We started out with one, but around 8 o'clock this morning, someone went ahead and scheduled, and they pretty much scheduled an appointment for 9:30, I believe. So I wasn't able to take care of it, so I sent a contractor out to take care of that one. And the other detail was a monthly maintenance client, which I pretty much took care of, and I take care of every month. Like I said, most of the details that I'm doing, I'm taking care of our maintenance clients, and then most of the other details comes in. They usually go to our contractor, since my schedule is already full. One thing that I did notice for this client in particular, for today, my maintenance clients, they didn't confirm the appointment through our scheduling app, so I had to just kind of reach out just to double check to make sure we were still good for today. That usually happens sometimes, but just stay on your clients, make sure they're confirming. That way you don't go out there to an appointment and they don't want to get the car detail, or they're not even home, so you wasted a drive to that client. So yeah, just be on the lookout for that. Make sure that you're staying on top of that as well. Other than that, the details went pretty good. I would say that other than like just showing up, doing the job and everything, I've been recording, doing my details, and I want to take it more serious, on every detail. So I want to give y'all a live stream on every single detail I do. I'm not going to get too much into what I charge, but I do want y'all to know that, like, on a day-to-day basis, this is what it's like being a detail. You never know what's going to happen. I believe that instead of trying to reschedule a client, I'd rather send it to a contractor to take care of it for me, so that I'm not missing out on money, man. So that's why we got our contract business going, and it's doing really well so far this year and last year. So we're going to keep it going and try to build our brand through that way, and just keep it growing and keep it building, man. Through our workout journey, we just trying to continue to get bigger, stay more fit, build up our endurance, so that we can just be better in the detailing world, man. I know there's a title video that I want to make coming up soon, which is like, how does fitness build and make you better at car detailing. And I believe there's a lot of benefits to pushing fitness and working out every day as a detailer, especially like as you continue to, you know, work throughout the car. Sometimes it gets hot, especially during the summer. You're moving around a lot, you working different muscles, you know, doing a lot of bending, you're doing a lot of squats throughout like the day as you know, lifting up to stuff, you putting stuff down, you know, handing stuff over. So that's definitely big when it comes to just moving your body around and, you know, building yourself up as you do your car detailing and building your workout. So working out is definitely a key benefit to like being productive as a car detailer. And then especially like the mental aspect of just being a productive person every day, getting that workout done in the morning, and then, you know, finishing the rest of your day out with work, and then, you know, do whatever work you have to do, and then you come home and you just start over and do it all over again. And then you just consistently do it over and over again. You're going to see results from your workouts, and you're going to see results from your business because you're going to be just focusing every single day, getting better every single day, man. But this is another day in the life with We Auto Detailing, fitness and car detailing. We got family, faith, fitness, and finances, man. We're not going to talk too much on the money, but I do want y'all to see those details, man, as we get better. Also, man, we got some products on our shopping cart for YouTube, so y'all go ahead and scroll through there. It's going to be a lot of the products that we use every day in our fitness workouts, and then a lot of the products that we use for our car detailing business. So, man, y'all hit the subscribe button. Y'all go check out our next video, man. It's a lot of live streams and a lot of recorded content as well. So thank y'all, man. Y'all take care.